I want to start by asking you this, that in a film that from the trailer what I can tell is about a father and a daughter, what will we see you be doing in the film?
I'll be lighting up the screen.
As always.
I play a lovable little character. Well, at least I thought it was lovable. Punjabi character who is a caterer to a theatre production company, and her secret desire is to be an actor. Oh. So she's hoping to get a role in one of their productions.
There seems to be this reunion with Mr. Anil Kapoor. I mean, in that one dialogue that I saw.
He's become more relaxed as an actor, and due to that, he's doing fantastically well, which was making me insecure on the sets, because I was like, when his shots would happen, I could also see that he's doing really well, and the director was like, fantastic. And after my shot would be canned, it would be like, yeah, good, huh? Good. So I'm like, what? Inki kameez, meri kameez se safed kaise?
Your fans have a bone to pick with you that they don't get to see you often. And
kitna jhoot bolte hai. Whenever I do a film, I do a damn good one, okay? Whether it was Chalk and Duster, whether it was Gulab Gang, or whether it was Son of Sardar, which was a fun, mad comedy. Where were all of you? How come you never came to see at least 2 of those 3 films?
No, but it's not as frequent. And you know, the point I was getting at is that the people you work with, for example, the Khans, are still ruling the roost. So, do you think the rules for female actors are different?
Training kisne di un Khans ko?
Aapne.
So फिर जब गुरु इधर है, देखा हमारे बच्चे किधर पहुंच गए?
Yeah, I know that's tongue in cheek, but like really, why don't we see you often? Are roles just not good enough?
I do have to say that good scripts with a good role for me, are few and far between. So when something nice does come up, I am most excited and I come happily to work in it. But yes, I do wait for a while saying, where's that lovely film to do?
Yeah, because so all the actors, actresses of today have been saying that the roles have been getting better, it's the best time for an actor or an actress, but has it really gotten better? Do you feel like in every age and stage of your life there will be work that inspires you?
I think it's always been there. Always in a year you've had a few films which did have the heroine playing a powerful role. Otherwise, a Tabu would not be the Tabu you know her to be, or a Shabana Ji would not have been the Shabana Ji you know her to be, or a Smita Patil wouldn't have been where she was, recognized as that actress.
But the quantity has increased.
Yeah. Has it?
I mean, I do feel that, and I feel like even quality-wise,
okay. Now let's test him.
No.
No.
Okay.
So, which are the films in last year which you felt
had good female parts?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Lust Stories.
Achha, Lust Stories I didn't.
Radhika, and then Taapsee Pannu in Man Marziyan.
Taapsee Pannu in Man Marziyan.
Taapsee Pannu in Mulk. Alia in Razi. Anushka in Sui Dhaga. I'm saying that roles generally have just gotten better.
Oh no. That too is always there.
Yeah?
No. I thought you're talking about,
as a central character.
Yeah, I'm thinking you're talking Padmavat and you're talking Tumhari Sulu. It's been there always. You've always... Which film is complete without a heroine?
No, of course, but I'm saying uski maine badal gaye, in the sense that now you're not you're not that good girl who has to do the right thing, right?
Times have changed, and yeah.
You've witnessed that. You can see that.
Yeah, I can see it very clearly. I mean, from the 90s to 2000, early 2000s, you always play the good little girl who, you take home to mummy. But today now you have girls or films, not girls. I'd just say films which are maybe more liberal or whatever. So yeah, that's happened, but that is maybe the way things are moved in society.
Yeah, but final question that you have this impeccable comic timing, okay? So I was just watching Bhootnath the other day on the TV and I cracked up. And I was watching Hum Hai Pyar Ki and I again cracked up. What's the secret to it?
I don't know what is this timing thingy, because I know you'll be like, what is she talking about? But all I do is if the scene is actually written in a funny way, I just enjoy it and perform it, and somehow it turns out turns out fun. But what I'm saying is that I don't know the technique to it. Achha. I just know that it's funny when it's written, so I have to give credit to whoever's written it. When it's not written well enough, and you say, okay, now can you do something out of it? I'm like, now what do I do?
I hope we see you more often. I think the fans are starved, and please, I mean, please.
कितना झूठ बोलता है कैमरा के ऊपर.
Please give in to their request, and all the very best for एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा. Can't wait to see you in it.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you for being
all
with me.
right. Have a great time. Watch the film. It's
Yes.
really fantastic.
1st February.